Hello, my name is Sama Muazzin. Today I want to talk about company backgrounds, and our company name is A.R.M Distribution Center. It is a new existing company in the logistic field in Malaysia. The company's name was actually the idea of three representing for three young entrepreneurs, and the young entrepreneur is Rashida, Amma Muazzin, and Aiman. Okay, the address of the company is located at States of Selangor Darul Ihsan, and the specific location address is number 0521 Jalan Sungai Penang 5/3 and kawasan perindustrian Pulau Indah, Pelabuhan Kelang 4920, and we have chosen to build our warehouse in this area because we believe this place is a more strategic and reliable place for each side of peninsula. Malaysia as a Selangor is the center of foreign distributing from north to south of Peninsular Malaysia.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rashida bint Razali. So, moving on to the services in A.R.M Distribution Center, we actually have many services that will satisfy every customer's needs and granting their demands. So, one of the services offered in A.R.M Distribution Center is order fulfillment. Our company runs a warehouse that could offer order fulfillment services to its clients. This includes order processing, packaging and labeling, and shipment. A.R.M Distribution Center uses order fulfillment to reduce operational costs associated running on infrastructure, focus on core functions, as well as reach consumers across multiple channels. Other than that, we also offer service of cross-docking. In simple terms, cross-docking allows our clients to route products from one or multiple manufacturing sites to a strategically located distribution center. In most cases, these centers are located near end consumers. When goods arrive from manufacturing centers, they are deconsolidated, which means broken down into multiple shipments and then delivered to the consumers. This service makes financial sense to manufacturers who do not have the physical space, equipment, and labor required to undertake special order fulfillment. This is in addition to manufacturers who require unloading and merging of bulk shipments. And last but not least, we offer the service of full truckloads. This is the benefit from economies of scale and productivity when shipments are large enough to require the use of the entire truck. This can reduce transit time by direct deliveries to final destination and avoid cargo to be handled en route.
Okay, I'll be continuing the presentation with layout of warehouse. Okay, A.R.M Distribution Center choose U-shaped warehouse. Stage is receiving. Receiving will begin with notification of the arrival of goods in advance, and this helps our warehouse to plan, receive, and unloading in order align efficiently with the warehouse. And at this stage, all the goods unloaded at the receiving area, then there will be inspections during the inbound process. And the second stage is a put away. Put away is the act of placing item or material after unloading the goods and put in the storage. At this point of the stage, we operate the process with proper and diligent material handling, locations, verification, and product placements. At the third storage is the physical containment of merchandise while it is awaiting a demand. And this stage methods depends on the size and quantity of the items in inventory. and handling characteristic of the product of its container. We utilize the storage systems according the size of facilities and products mix allows use to maximize or horizontal and vertical. So in this stage we divide into type of storage, which is dynamic storage and static storage. And the next is for stage, which is picking and packaging. Okay, picking is for each new order, the picker will receive a packing slip of the items order and the products from the respective locations, since with a scanning device. We use the software that helps pinpoint items throughout the warehouse buildings. And the packaging is once of order is picked, it is handed of a packer who is responsible for securely packing the items in box of polymer. Adding is a needed packing material and putting is a shipping labels on it, which we have mentioned at the sortation area. And the fifth stage is shipping, based on the delivery options and shipping service you offer to customers, and shipping carrier like DHL, JNT, FedEx and Post Laju will pick up orders from the warehouse and to ship package to their next destinations. Okay, our warehouse also have cross dockings, and the cross docking is after the products come to our warehouse, we delivers to customers without any material handling. That's all for me. Thank you.
Now, let's take a look to the storage systems being used in A.R.M distribution center. So, one of the storage systems we have been applied in our warehouse is pallet racking. These pallet racking systems are usually treated as the centerpiece in our operation. Typically, pallet racking systems are made out of wood, metal, or plastic and hold inventory that is received in large boxes. We choose the pallet racking system depending on the height. Depending on the height. Meanwhile, the boxes are placed on the pallet racking system by using forklift. The option of this pallet racking system is based on weight limits, flexibility, and whether or not the system demands a change in infrastructure. Next is mobile shelving. This mobile shelving is a completely adjustable solution by means it could hold manually picked items where it is designed to hold more items in less space. With mobile shelving, shelves or cabinets are mounted on carriage and rail systems, eliminating fixed idles and increasing productivity by making inventory more accessible even when space is becoming tight. Mobile shelving designs typically include level tracks that can either be manual or mechanized. Some even come equipped with locking systems to control access to inventory. And last but not least, our warehouse also has been implementing the storage system of mezzanine flooring. We believe that mezzanine flooring is an effective and space-saving storage option. Essentially, mezzanine flooring is a second or third or could even be fourth floor which is constructed above the main warehouse floor. Because of the intrusive nature of the build, this system is likely one of the most expensive options that we have chosen for our warehouse, but the system has the most potential for customized features such as lighting, lift systems, and conveyors.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman Fidaus bin Muhammad Zainal. So today, I will explain to you about type of material handling that we use in our warehouse. So as for the starter, we use a walkie stacker. Walkie stacker is a small forklift which operate not use the fuel or electric to move it. Which is the order picker will push and pull from behind of this forklift. This walkie stacker is suitable for a small space, which is good for our warehouse, because in our warehouse there are a lot of small space that we store the goods, which the usual forklift cannot be fit. So this walkie stacker will be function to our warehouse for the retrieval goods. The next material handling is forklift truck. Forklift truck, as we all know, this usual forklift that that being used being used to all warehouse. Uh, I mean, like, this forklift usual forklift that we use in our warehouse, not just in our warehouse, in other warehouse in surround the world will use this forklift truck. uh, it's because this forklift truck can lift a heavy goods, which is not other material, not other forklift can lift, such as walkie stacker, counterbalance truck. This forklift can lift the heavy goods, so it is good for our warehouse, because majority of our goods is heavy, because it come with uh, a bug. It come with a bug, so it heavy to us to lift, so we use the forklift. Next material handling is pallet. Why we choose pallet? Because pallet is important for our warehouse. As we already know, pallet that the function of the pallet is one, is to be a base for the goods to be stored, so the goods not directly to the floor, because it will cause a damage to the goods. So we will put the goods on the pallet as a base for the goods. So uh, we use three type of pallet in our warehouse, which is number one is four-way stringer pallet. The second one is single wing pallet, and the third one the reversible pallet. This all pallet were usually used in other warehouse too. So it help us a lot in managing our goods. So that's all for type of material handling in our warehouse. Thank you. Okay, so next we move to type of technology that we use in our warehouse. So for the first technology, the technology is vision picking. What is this vision picking? Vision picking is a Google, is smart glasses that were used by every of our workers to ease their job. So it gives the workers a head up display that enable them to locate, scan, sort, and move inventory without needing a handheld scanner or referencing hard copy form. Uh, this technology can ease our workers and less can make the error less, such as the order picker will take a wrong goods or store the goods in different places. So this technology will help our workers to do their job with ease and less error. So this vision picking is the result from the from collabs with Google smart glasses. So we use their smart glasses, and and collab with our warehouse to create a new technology that can locate position the goods in the warehouse. So this will make our process in the warehouse run with smoothly. So next technology that we have in our warehouse is RFID system. As we all know, RFID system were used worldwide around the world. Why we choose this RFID in our warehouse? It is because we want to give our customer the best service, that we can give get that can we give them. So with RFID, uh, with RFID tag, RFID tag can tell you when item come into the warehouse or leave the warehouse. So which is this system will let our customer themselves to locate their goods by their self. So why we do this? Because we want our customers to satisfied with our service, so they will repeat service with our warehouse. So this technology, with this technology, the error while do the work can be reduced. So that's all our technology that we use in our warehouse. That's all from me. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.